Inner Mongolia, Bayannur, is an important national commodity grain and oil production base, and also the first batch of National Ecological Civilization Pilot Demonstration Area. It's located in latitude 40 degrees north the Golden Strip, which always have good reputation of the granary beyond the wall. There is a star shining with full of fertility and dazzling bright in this beautiful and affluent land. This is Yongming Machinery Company. Bolstered by strategy to revitalize villages, a team with dream and passion created the grand progress work of rich agricultural product industry experience and career. Bayannur Yongming Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was formally established in 2004. With the rapid development of the company, it has set up a new international trade department, which is responsible for the connection of overseas business and gradually tend to be refined and perfected for the function of departments. Moreover, the single organization structure is becoming comprehensive. We take highly educated and high-tech talents of R&D department as a core, in order to a grasp of technology from home and abroad. There are 5 most advanced machining production workshops in domestic. It takes 70% the professional and technical personnel among the total. Yongming Machinery for the concept of professional production and technology first. We will start from the heart, practice in line. Yongming Machinery Company uphold honesty molded brand, service a bright future. For the equipment of agricultural food processing machinery, we well committed to the research and development, demonstration pilot, sales promotion and after-sales services. To formulate the strategy of famous brand products in the machinery industry, we will on the basis of absorbing the advanced machinery manufacturing technology at home and abroad, by strengthen the cultivation and reserve of talents, and improve the technology and accumulate experience. The development of the market is changeable. The enterprise keeps pace with the times. Meanwhile, Yongming Machinery constantly improve their competitiveness and encourage of innovation with scientific and technological within the rapid developing. It has obtained a number of national patents of technology and successfully passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and EU CE double certification. Besides, the company has a number of machining equipment production lines with domestic advanced level and international leading large laser cutting machine and large crane equipment. For more than 10 years, the company has always been to push the autonomous region's agricultural and animal husbandry mechanization cause as its own responsibility, and strive to develop the renewal equipment of agricultural and animal husbandry and promotion project implementation, while promoting the series equipment of large and medium-sized agricultural products, such as selection, culling, threshing equipment, and supporting facilities of color sorter, etc., which is suitable for the majority of farmers and grain and oil production enterprises. A professional manufacturer has developed into manufacturing food processing machinery with products range, advanced technology, and excellent quality, to become the regional industry leading enterprises with strong strength and high-quality technical team. Yongming Machinery upholds the valued concept of surviving a high quality and seeking development with prestige. Step by step down, quality is a guarantee of development. As fine quality control, strict on quality, super cost-effective product, good stability, and ultra-long durability of the equipment, and to the fine comments by majority of farmers. Yongming Machinery was received award Annual Outstanding Contribution Enterprise of Agricultural and Animal Husbandry Mechanization in 2009. In 2017, it won the title of Key Leading Enterprise of Bayannur Agricultural and Animal Husbandry Industry. In 2018, it worked with He College to build a base for integrated development of industry university research. The proposal of One Belt and One Road strategy brings new opportunities for the market. Yongming Machinery is stride forward to the diversification of management with its own brand advantages, integrates international resources, optimizes internal management, and makes great strides, integrating into the One Belt and One Road. Yongming Machinery has obtained the proprietary products import and export trade business. Our products have been exported to Central Asia, Middle East, Eastern Europe, and Africa, which really go abroad in 2008. With the rapid development of electronic industry, agricultural machinery manufacturing will be faced the fact of upgrading from the transformation mechanization to intelligence. In the future, agricultural machinery manufacturing industry will become a highly technology-intensive industry. In order to raise the level of accompanying technology, Yongming Machinery will take the core with scientific and technological innovation and further introduce the intelligent processing equipment with production lines. Bring the industry to the sound sustainable development with double engine of brand strategy and technology creation in order to contribute to promoting regional industry development and accelerating the transformation and upgrading of intelligent agriculture. The Yongming people firmly believe that the miracle